This is a clip from the last video I posted, my wash day using Aussie products, and I'm doing this hairstyle on the same day. I went ahead and gave my hair a little stretch by doing some plaits in my hair just so my hair is more manageable. For this hairstyle, I'm gonna be using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders to do my low sleek ponytail. I have a more detailed video. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can see how I got my hair in a low sleek bun. It's my braided video that's more detailed. It shows everything how I did this look section by section. The only difference is I am not using gel on this hairstyle. So I'm gonna be using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner because my hair is already dry after washing it. I do my hair in sections because it's easier for me. My hair is more neat when I do it in sections, so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just applying the jam to my hair section by section just to get that low sleek look. Each section I'm gonna keep adding the leave-in conditioner and then I add the jam. And also for this hairstyle, I'm gonna be doing a middle part. I'm starting to realize how much I love middle part, because usually I do side part, so middle part is a change for me. Gonna be doing the same thing to the other section, and there you have it. Hey, wanna see how sleek my ear look? I'm not even tight with a scarf as yet. Can you imagine after the scarf procedure done? Now I'm gonna be using a scarf to tie my hair. Well, I'm gonna be using 2 scarves for this one, so everything can be laid and slayed. Yep. So here I'm just making sure my ends are moisturized before I put them in a bun, because I'm gonna have this in for a week. So I'm just combing it through with some leave-in conditioner, and then I'm gonna be making a bun. I'm gonna try to make the bun as small as possible. The hair is big, so it's not gonna be showing, so it doesn't even matter if it's big or small, but I just want it to be small. I have thick hair, so it's kind of hard for me to get the bun to be small. So here you're gonna see me using a number of different size ponytail holders just to get the bun to be small, but it is a struggle, may I tell you. Watch there, a struggle. Well, it will be okay though. Dun, da, da, da. Here you have the $5 braiding hair. This hair I used in a previous video, so I am reusing this hair. Yes, I am reusing synthetic hair. How crazy is that? This is the Xpression twisted up afro springy twist here. I'm gonna leave all the information down below. I'm also gonna leave the video down below of when I use this hair. Yo, look how laid my hair is. This hairstyle lasted me a whole week, and now I'm gonna be adding the braiding here onto my bun. I'm gonna make sure the braiding here is over the bun, and I'm gonna wrap the ponytail holder around the bun. So I'm gonna take a small piece from the braiding here and wrap around the ponytail just so the hair is in place and not moving around. Also, I'm gonna be using a couple bobby pins. I'm gonna be sticking those in the side of the ponytail just so it's secure and in place. And there you have it. This is the final look. KK Squad, if you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can get notification when I post videos, and also please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.